Welcome back to another elite video by your boy Dr. Driller, right? So I just want to make time for me to be able to analyze. Actually, let me just analyze on this video, right? On this video, I'm just gonna go through uh NASDAQ, right? Of which is NAS 100, whatever, right? So I'm just gonna go through this instrument, try to analyze it. So I'm starting on a daily time frame, and on this daily time frame I'm catering this level over here because to me this serves as a respected level, right? The respected market level. If you could see, we have one and two, a third, and now it's giving us a fourth touch, to validate that it's a valid um respected level from the market, right? So yeah, man, that's how it is. And then from there we are able to cater for our let me check, lowest part of the market, right? So one thing that people are not noticing with this instrument is that, right, it created like a double bottom. Let me go through that. Let me go through it. It came here, right, and then went back to retest this level. Now giving you this leg. Now it's gonna go back maybe just around this area, right? Why am I saying that this is double bottom? It's a double bottom, but it's not that one that you can notice easily. So it's a confirmation that our market will buy for the longest time, right? So now, even with that regard, even with that regard, our market has to correct whenever it impulses, right? So now this is what our market did. It broke above this level, right? It broke above this respected level on the market. Now it has to come back to retest it, right? To retest it, and that's what it did. Honestly, that's what NAS 100 did. It came back to retest this level over here, of which it was kind of like expected, given this level over here, given this a respected level over here. Also, it was expected for NASDAQ to come back to retest this level. Now we are looking forward for buying opportunities, since this instrument is now this on a bullish momentum, right? So with that being said, now let's go to like 4 hour time frame to kind of like adjust our drawings, right? Let me just do this. Okay, I think it's fine with this one, but let me try to readjust using this one. Yeah, I think it's also fine with this one, right? So now this is what NASDAQ did. It came from this side and retested, right? Retested at this area. Now went to the downside and shot to the upside, giving us like a head and shoulder pattern, right? Head and shoulder pattern, right? From here, this area over here. Yeah, it's head and shoulder, right? Head and shoulder. Now it came to retest from this level to the downside. So from here we might experience like impulse to the upside, right? And that's what we're anticipating on this market. So now looking at 4 hour time frame, zooming our chart to be able to see clearly, right? Looking at 4 hour time frame, we're able to spot this area over here as like a possible entry, right? Like the spot over there is our possible entry. Let me just try to do this. No, it won't work. So let me just try to delete this and use this tool over there. Where's that? Horizontal, right? Right. So looking at this area over here, now the market came back to retest this level, showed to the upside a bit. Now it came back to give us like double bottom, now shooting to the upside, right? So now this is like the middle part of a double bottom, right? So now the market has to shoot up, of which it did. It has to shoot up to break above this level. Where is the thing? Let me just try to use this instrument. Now the market shot to the upside, of which something that it was supposed to do. Now it has to come to retest, now go into the upside, right? So now we're still on a 4-hour time frame, right? This is a 4-hour time frame on this market, right? This is a 4-hour time frame. Let me try to cater for like most touches of the wicks. And now from here we are anticipating like a formation of a new candlestick just above this level over here, formation of a new candlestick just above this level. Now we're gonna use that as our entry to the upside, right? So now going to 1-hour time frame to actually zoom in and readjust our let me try it. Yeah, it's fine. So now readjust this tool over here. Right now this remain a strongest level on 1 hour, right? Because it has this touch over here. One, two, look at how this market was trying to break above, but it kept on rejecting at this area over here, right? So now it has to give us like a retest before shooting to the upside. It has to give us like a retest over here during the day, and then from there it will be confirmed that we're gonna shoot to the upside. So how we gonna enter at this market? We're just gonna enter at this level and just try to place our stop loss. I don't know whether just around this area or just around this area, and from there gonna try to take it to like the next possible high, of which you're gonna take it to this level, right? Or if not, we can just use like a trend line to look for entry, of which you're gonna cater for this week and also this week over there. Possibly if the market retest during the day, it might give you like this touch over there, this touch over here, right? It might give you this touch over here as a confirmation entry, right? And then from there shoot to the upside. And if it does that, if it really does that, then you're gonna use this as your possible level of stop loss, right? A possible level of stop loss. Where can you place this one over here, right? So you're just gonna place your stop loss just below this week over here, right? Just below this week over here, if the market give you this second entry. But if it just gives you like this possible first entry from there shoot to the upside, this can be considered as an early trade, right? So you're just gonna place your stop loss just below this candlestick, just below this wick over here, right? And that will be all for NAS100, and thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, if it was helpful, please also like it. Danko. It's your boy Dr. Driller. You know the vibes.